Hello everyone. Today, we will practice the word apologize. Let's practice together. Apologize. I apologize. I apologize for that. I apologize for the mistake. Please apologize. Please apologize to her. He will apologize. He will apologize soon. We apologize for the delay. We apologize for the inconvenience. I must apologize. I must apologize again. She apologizes quickly. She apologizes sincerely. They apologize together. They apologize to the team. I apologize and explain. I apologize and offer help. We apologize and fix it. We apologize and learn. Please apologize politely. Please apologize politely and clearly. Apologize is important at work. Thank you for practicing. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you tomorrow.